Incredibles. I'm going to make Mr. Incredible and Frodo. And for 10 years old. I'm going to empty the packet.